Yo, what is up, people? Right now we're sitting at Fukuoka airport because I can see my reflection, because we're heading to Tokyo again today, and we thought a much faster way would be to take a domestic flight from Fukuoka to Tokyo instead of the Shinkansen. Our flight will be around 2 hours almost, and then we will spend our last 7.5 days in Tokyo, where we will do the majority of shopping. A couple of foods we still need to try, and right now we're sitting here with our hot drinks at the observation deck of the airport. The weather is beautiful. And yeah, that's how life's supposed to be.
What is up, guys? So we just arrived at our Airbnb in Tokyo, our final stay for this Japan journey. And ignore my hair, I'm going to show you the back camera anyway now. So, quick tour. This is the Genkan where you put your shoes. And as you can see, shoes strictly prohibited, so respect the rules of the house. We have a little cupboard here to put anything in we want. We even have a thermometer to measure if we maybe are sick or something. A little kitchen space. We will not cook here anyway. This is the toilet space, and of course you have the door that you can close, sliding door, a washing machine, which is good because we want to wash some clothes. That's me. And the wet room, like with the bathtub and the shower and everything. And now finally the living space. Very plain, very simple, very minimalistic, but still very beautiful. The bed this time is much softer than what we had before, which is nice. Right there is a balcony that we closed off right now, and a little storage space, and your aircon, of course. So yeah, the final 7 days, or 7.5 days if you want to, in Tokyo just started. We're going to meet 2 of our friends right now that are in Japan right now as well. And then we want to eat something because we're starving. And then we probably will do some karaoke. So let's see what will happen.
Good morning, lovely ladies and gentlemen. So yesterday was funny. We met friends of ours from Germany who are in Japan right now as well. And yeah, we had a yakiniku feast in Shinjuku, and after that we went to do some karaoke. And let's just say, like most of my friends, like nearly everyone, including my girlfriend, slightly wasted. I'm fine. I don't know what I did different, but I'll take it any day. And yeah, today we're like heading to Shibuya for some shopping, but first we will do something that I was looking forward for years now. And you might heard of this little animated movie called Your Name. And there's one specific, and that sounds very stupid. There are stairs who are very popular, and I will show you when we will be there. So let's not waste any time. Let's go. So, quick side note. Now imagine those stairs are just random stairs for the locals here. They walk there every day. And now imagine you live somewhere in a completely random neighborhood. There's pretty much nothing here. And someone decides to make a movie in your neighborhood. And the final scene has stairs or a wall even, or a playground or whatever. And because the movie gets so much hype and so much attention, now you have everyday tourists in front of your house making pictures, taking videos just for some staircases. And yeah, it's crazy, but for us anime fans, that is a hotspot. Crazy.
Good evening. Just a quick recap without the microphone because it's just faster. We met our friends again today. We went to the Your Name staircase, which is still in my mind. It's still crazy because it's just some random stairs in the neighborhood, and some anime fans decided to pilger there because it's so amazing, and it was beautiful, to be honest. There was a cherry blossom tree, which were the only cherry blossoms we've seen so far. And yeah, then we went a little bit through Harajuku, and holy shit, it was so packed. There were so many people, like holy shit. We tried a couple of things on. I didn't buy anything, but my girlfriend bought something. Yeah, Harajuku, we will definitely go there again this week, in hopes that that's like under the regular work days, like Monday, Tuesday, or some other day, it will be less crowded. And then we went to Shibuya. We ate some okonomiyaki, and then we played some crane games. I made some wins, but at what cost? But I won nonetheless, so yeah, I'm happy. And now we got ourselves some snacks in the kombini, and now we're heading home. Let's see, tomorrow we're planning on like doing a relaxed day. Not any shopping, not much walking. Just relax a little bit because our legs are dead. And yeah, let's see where our feet will take us tomorrow.